So, introduce yourself first.
What do you want to know?
What's your name?
Hi, my name is Lucy.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Okay, do you like Shanghai?
Yeah, I do like Shanghai a lot.
How long have you been in Shanghai?
For about a year now.
A year now. Okay, so the first question about China visa is, what kind of China visa do you have?
I have a business visa.
Business visa,
yeah.
okay.
I work here.
Oh, where did you apply for the visa?
I didn't do it, my company did it.
Oh, yeah. So how did you apply for it? It's also a company worked for you.
Yeah, it's like the company did it for me. I think I just had to fill out a form and my company did it for me.
Okay, so you also don't know how much you pay for that?
No, I have no idea.
So you must know the period of validity of your visa, right?
Yeah, I think it's until May, so it's 1 year, and then I renew it again 1 year. My company will do it again.
Okay, so could you recommend a website where a lot of useful information about China visa is available? Okay, do you know how to say hello Shanghai in Chinese? Okay, I can teach you.
我会说中文。
Oh,
yeah.
所以你会说 Hello Shanghai in Chinese， 你知道怎么说是不是？
是上海你好，你好上海。
Yeah, good, great. 对，是上海。